Ross, I'm going to give you these 4 pieces of pipe.
All righty.
I just want you to hold those.
Right. Sure, I can hold those.
And if, in case you're wondering, this is something we learned from our friend Gary Klein.
Gary is awesome. We've learned a lot from him about hot water.
We'll give you that. Ross, you have 1 inch, 1.25 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2-inch PEX pipe.
Got it. Okay.
Matt, 3/4 inch.
3/4.
There's some 1/2 inch.
And some 1/2 inch.
All right, so all of these things have something in common with each other, right? Obviously, everybody watching knows that they're plastic.
Yep.
Doesn't really matter.
They're all PEX.
Yep, they're all PEX. They're all different lengths, as we can see that. Any idea, Ross, what you think is going on here?
I'm not really sure. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I've got 18 feet of 1/4 inch tubing. All right?
Wow.
That's a lot.
Yeah, so we've got just about 6 feet of 1/2 inch. We've got 2.5 feet of 3/4 inch. And then we have the various sizes. I think it's 18, 12, 9, and 5 inches, actually, believe it or not. I'm surprised I remembered all those numbers.
Impressive.
Yeah, that was impressive.
The point of this demo is to show you that each one of these pipes holds the same volume of water.
Wow. How much volume is that?
It's right around 1 cup of water. If we've done the math right and we've done everything right when we measured, but we should be able to fill every one of these pipes with 1 cup of water.
So check this out, Eric. This length of 3/4 is just shy or right around a half the length of the 1/2 inch pipe, right?
It is, and so that's going to matter when we get in further into this series. We're going to talk about delivering water, the time to tap, right?
That's
But
right.
we're going to try to do it by waiting the shortest amount of time, wasting the least amount of water.
That's right.
So
And
what's
we
the problem with wasting water in your mind, Eric? Is this strictly that there's a limited amount of water and we want to make sure that we're not wasting water? Or are there other issues that come with dumping that cold water down the drain?
I'm glad you asked, because I'm going to answer that question. The number one complaint I get from customers, waiting for water is very annoying by everybody. I don't know anybody that wants to sit there and wait and watch water go down the drain.
Yep.
And then number 2 is running out of hot water.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Nobody wants a cold shower. As we saw at your house, waiting for that water is annoying, and it's also very wasteful.